In AtkinsRéalis, we're a global practice. We've got a huge diverse community of designers from very different cultural and educational background, but we're unified around a very singular belief that good and great design can completely transform people's lives. We have got a huge level of technical expertise from tunnels experts, geotechnical experts, hydrologists, ecologists, etc. So that platform of expertise is crucial to us. But it's twinned with people who are good listeners, who want to engage with our clients, who humbly realise that the designs are for our communities and our clients and individuals. It also needs to be coupled with a longer distance view about how that asset and that building or that master plan will impact the climate and the world. We have a huge investment around digital technology, around tools and devices that can accelerate and bring better intelligence and objectivity into our design thinking. But we are conscious that within that array of technical expertise and that digital knowledge, that we're individuals and people. So we hold a pen, we're able to tell the stories, to animate, to bring to life the digital world for our clients and articulate what will be best as we go forward. So it's that balancing act of the analog and the digital, the historic, the personal, to deliver the very best exercise, because we are engineering a better future both for our planet and its people.